let's give this a try. So I'm going to try to illustrate two ways to calculate the probability of an iron butterfly. Okay, so I'm going to set one up here. I'll go, I'll straighten it 234.28, so I'll center it at 234. Control click, and then I'm going to go out $5, 229. Control click on the buy, and then 239. Control click on the buy. All right, so there's my butterfly. It's $5 wide, centered at 234. Okay, so I'm going to go to the risk profile, and this is it's already set to the expiration date, but if it's not, then I would go here and pick the expiration date. All right. Now what it's showing you here is the one standard deviation, that's 68%. So 68% chance on 422 that the price of SPY will be between here and here. So if I want to see exactly what the break-evens of my iron butterfly I made, I'll go down here and click here on price slices, set slices to break even on 422. Okay, now this is showing me that the probability of this iron butterfly being successful is in between these two orange lines, or 32.55%. So what if you don't believe this? Let's go. I'll show you another way. So you can go back to the options chain here, and we're going to calculate our break even. So this iron butterfly, you're only risking. So it's $5 wide, and you're taking in 358. So your max loss on this is 142. So yeah, that's pretty good. So let's see, 234 minus $3.58. So on the put side, the break even is at 230.42, and the probability at 230.42, I'm just going to go down here and use the probability at 230.50 to approximate that. So that's 32.42. So let's write that down. 32.42. Okay. All right. Now on the call side, we'll go and write down it's 234 plus 358. So on the call side, it's 237.58. So let's just use 237.50 to approximate that. So that's 29.79. So we'll write that down. 29.49. So I'm just lazy, so I'm just going to call this a wash, and we'll just call this 62%. Or yeah, 62%. So 62% chance that the price of SPY will be outside of 237.58 and whatever the other one is, 230.42 or whatever it was. So that means that using the chart, that it has a 38% probability of being between your break-evens. So that's more or less what we saw here. I don't know exactly what the difference is, but since it's in the ballpark, I would be willing to think that the probability of this trade being successful to be about between 32 and 38%, or call it 35%. Okay, so that's how I do it. Hope you find this useful.